Hi, I am Taro Naruka, and in this video I am going to describe you about non-surgical method to get your vagina tighter like a virgin. Loose vagina is a problem being faced by women across the world. Many women suffering from loose genitals feel guilty because they could not offer enhanced sexual pleasure. Menopause is another problem in women with growing age. It creates dry genitals. Women who suffer from excessive white discharge also suffer from unpleasant odor. Women who gave birth to 2 or more children usually suffer from loose genital passage. Intake of healthy foods solves loose genital passage in women. Women who intend to cure loose passage problem can also look for herbal remedies like ABAB tablets. It offers non-surgical method to get your vagina tighter like a virgin. Young women who have relationship with many boyfriends also suffer from loose genital passage. Women looking for non-surgical method to get your vagina tighter like a virgin are advised to try herbal remedies. ABAB tablet is developed with natural ingredients to tighten your vagina walls and offer firm grip for your male partner. Women who intend to correct their loose genital passage are advised to use this tablet in the genital passage. You need to try this herbal medicine just half an hour before the love act. The tablet gets dissolved in the genital passage and strengthens vaginal walls. Essential nutrients for strengthening genital walls are rich in ABAB tablets. Herbal remedies help to eliminate unpleasant odor in the vaginal area. It also helps to reduce white discharge in women. Young women can also use ABAB tablets to tighten their vagina just like virgin. Lubrication for pleasurable sex after menopause is ensured through the use of ABAB tablets. You can buy safe-to-use herbal remedies from reputable online stores. Some of the online stores also offer free consultation for women like to tighten your loose genital passage for enjoying and memorable sexual pleasure. Therefore, ABAB tablets offer non-surgical method to get your vagina tighter. ABAB tablets also boost your libido apart from tightening your vaginal walls. Improved libido will help to enjoy nice intercourse with your partner. You can also cure other sexual disorders through intake of herbal remedies. Herbal remedies will also improve sensation in your genital passage. Men get aroused faster and ready for penetration into her. Young women will also get ready for love act in few seconds to few minutes. But women suffering from menopause require around 5 minutes getting arousal for sexual pleasure. Foreplay is essential for turning on such women. Use of gel creams and ABAB tablets will help to cure this problem. Women can also practice schedule exercises to tighten their vagina. You need to hold your urine for 10 seconds when passing the urine. It helps to strengthen your pelvic muscles. You can also strengthen your pelvic muscles through contracting the muscles in the genital passage, while inhaling the air and loosen the muscles, while exhaling. It strengthens your genital passage. You can also make use of aloe vera gel to get your vagina tighter like a virgin. Apart from above tips, women are also advised to consume soy-based foods for boosting estrogen. Buy ABAB tablets from worldwideweb.ababtablets.com.